Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have one incredible 1970 El Camino. It has a documented $80,000 build. Complete body off frame, rotisserie restored with all sorts of great upgrades. This thing's amazing. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures top to bottom, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars. They're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in one of the world's nicest El Caminos. I got a lot to remember. There's so much going on with this one. We'll start with the underside. Like I said, the body was removed from the frame. Then the body was put on a rotisserie so they could flip it on its side, work it from every angle, and just do a better job. So they cut the floor out completely. It has an all-new one-piece floor pan, not sections, but a one-piece floor, so it's all metal, zero rust. Looks like it just came out of the factory. And then they sprayed, it's like a bed liner material. That real durable rubber sealer is what's sprayed on the floor, so it's durable, probably outlast me. And then a lot of the components and parts were sent out to be powder coated, the whole frame, control arms, brackets, a lot of parts were powder coated. It has a Hotchkiss sport suspension, so the steering and suspensions, every part of it's brand new in this car. It has lowering springs, Edelbrock gas shocks, custom control arms in the back, upper and lower, so the suspension and steering is all brand new. Everything under here is detailed. It's a show car underneath. Really nice custom fat exhaust. It's stainless steel. It has the X pipe in the middle. It has MagnaFlow mufflers. Sounds awesome. You'll hear it in a little bit. All new custom brake system. It's got drilled and slotted discs at all four corners. It's got red calipers, all new hoses, lines. I think they're stainless steel braided hoses. Emergency brake assembly is all new. The fuel tank is new, and they had it powder coated with a clear coat. So it's a good durable, shiny finish on the fuel tank. It is fuel injected, so it has all the proper new fuel pump and fuel lines, and the whole system's new. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It has a chrome oil pan, high torque starter painted the same red. The transmission is a Mad Dog 700 R4 overdrive. It's had all sorts of upgrades, been completely rebuilt. So it's an overdrive trans. The rear end's a 12-bolt rear end. Everything in it's been redone. It's got a True Track posi unit, 373 gears, new axles, forged parts, aluminum cover. The complete list is in the description on the website, but that rear end is all new inside. So you got an overdrive, you got a posi, you got custom suspension, you got disc brakes. It's new underneath. The body is amazing. It's like red glass. I was thinking, I bet you get 5 miles a gallon better gas mileage because this is so slick. I mean, I don't think anything would stick to this paint. It's all new metal, new valance, new fenders, new hood, new doors, new quarters. Complete new tailgate, not a skin, but the whole tailgate's new. So it's all new metal. There's no rust in this vehicle. Laser beam straight. It's like red glass. I did not see any problem areas, no shrinking, no bubbling, no cracking anywhere. It does have a cowl induction hood that does function. And then all the trim was replaced. The bezels, the lenses, the grille, the emblems, the bumper, all replaced. There's a couple light scratches in these chrome covers that you're going to get that. But all these moldings are all new. All the glass is new except the vent windows. There's nothing wrong with them, but they're not new. But all the other glass is new. New mirrors, new door handles, rubber strips, weather strips. The door opens so easy. Oh man, that closed nice. It does that because it's all new. It's got new mechanisms. It's got new hinges. It's all new stuff. This is painted slick. It's as slick as the outside of the car. I gotta close that again. That's nice. All the trim around the top of the bed here is new. All this is new. The bezels, lights, emblems, all of it. Inside here is like glass too. I can't believe the extra effort they went through, and I'm not going to leave that down because I don't think it'll clear. Any little bit of hardware in here is new, and I'm telling you, that is slick as the outside. And it has a really nice, like a neoprene rubber mat that's cut to fit in there. We have it rolled up so you can see how nice the bottom is, but there is a nice rubber mat. You have this nice tonneau cover here. Of course, the interior is all redone. We'll get to that in a minute. Under the hood, I ain't even told you what's under here yet. It's a 383 stroker motor. It has these really fancy, expensive billet hinges that I love, but unfortunately those gas struts that hold it open go weak after a while. I found that on a bunch of those hinges I've had. So those can be replaced. Not a big deal. I still love them. These are really nice looking feature. 383 stroker, aluminum heads, has the Endurashine intake. That means it's like chrome. It's fuel injected, all MSD ignition. Some really fat plug wires, by the way, too. Coated headers. The whole march system on the front of the motor. All the serpentine belt with the billet pulleys, brackets. Mini polished AC compressor, a polished alternator. The interior, of course, is completely redone. Like the seats, new springs, new cushions, new upholstery, new plastic seat backs, new chrome trim, new headrests. The seats are new. Down on the floor has new carpet, new SS floor mats, new center console. Has the seat belts. In front of you, the whole dash is new. It's the SS dash with the tack and gauges, the clock works, new heater control panel, new vents, new knobs, new dash pad, a tilt column with a new steering wheel. Has a retro stereo with the kick panel speakers. It was dynamatted when they had the interior gutted. All new door panels, window cranks, armrests, it's all new. Getting back to the motor, all new power brake system, a polished power steering, the steering box, the steering hoses are new. Everything in here is painted glossy. It's got an aluminum Griffin radiator with dual electric fans, polished overflow bottle. It has an oil catch can so it doesn't spit out any oil in your beautiful motor. Wiper motor's new, and the squirters and all that looks like it's hooked up. Just everything in here is just beautiful. Show quality. Really nice set of forged aluminum valve covers, K&N filter. Back to the interior, headliner, visors, mirror, all that's new. Even the little button in the door jamb that turns the lights on and off is shiny. So you got one heck of a car. I drove this home. It drove great. Fire it up for you. Interior lights work. Now if you can see the flapper on the cowl induction, opens and closes. It opens when you tromp on it and give it the gas. So you got a show quality El Camino with great features, a great vehicle to drive. you like the best of the best, this is it right here. It's got everything going for it. There's nothing to apologize for except for those hinges, which we'll see if we can get that resolved. And it'll come with the binder of all the documentation. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can contact our salesmen. They'll answer any specific questions or concerns you have about the car. What I just gave you is my general impression of what I see here. So visit Volo Cars and they can help you with the financing, the delivery, all the paperwork. If you enjoy watching the video, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.